So here's how we can check if the iPhone display is original or not. So let me guide you through the way you can figure it out. If you're new here or first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. Okay, first of all, you can check out the settings app where you can find some things about it. Like if you go to the general section and tap on the about, you might see the parts and a service history. Like if I put two phones side by side, one of them doesn't show anything about it. And that's actually a good thing because if there hasn't been anything replaced or serviced, then there isn't any service history to be displayed, right? So if I click on it, in this case, you can see that on this iPhone 14 Pro, there is a display service history, and the display part is actually marked as unknown. And I actually know exactly what's going on because I just, had the phone replace the screen, and it's not like the original Apple display. It's like a good quality, but from a different third party one, from a different company. So that's why it's showing that it's unknown. So it's not and like genuine Apple part, but it still kind of works. So this section is very important to check out, especially when you're buying a secondhand phone or, if you want to know more about the service history if you have your phone serviced. So I hope it makes sense. That's how you can figure it out. If you found this video helpful, just hit the thumbs up to let me know about it, and I will hopefully see you in the upcoming videos and guides like this one.